That was a great idea, Joey. Now let's get to the airport. Let's hurry. Security might be coming. Is the plane ready? Yes, it's just over there. Perfect. Let's load up fast. That plan is crazy, Ryan. Yeah, but it's so crazy that it just might work. I mean, what other choice do we have? Let's do it. Alright, fine. Now let's go. I need to see some ID. My name is Keith Harrison, Chief of the Lego City Police Department. We are here to... No time, come on! Have a nice day. Look, there they are. Let's get them. No, we have to stick to Ryan's plan. Now everyone get into positions.
Trailblazer, you and your henchmen are surrounded. Step out of the plane now.
Wait a minute. Everyone get down! What happened? It was a decoy. It's up to Jack and Rick now. I hope this works. I can't believe they fell for that. Alright, take us to freedom, honey. With pleasure. Uh-oh. What is it? It's Jack and his monster truck. Great. Take off before he can reach us. Woo! We did it! This is for everything you did to me. Well, that sucks. We're going down. Brace yourselves. This is the end for you, Trevor. That was insane. I can't believe that worked. Wait a minute. Did we just win? This is for Jack. Stop! I'll take it from here, Rick. Fine. Nice to see you two again. Ryan, you take over. I need to make some calls. Yes, sir. Wait, where's Trailblazer? I'll go check. You stay and watch these two. He's getting away. Oh no, you don't. Ah! No! I will not lose to you! Well, too bad, brother. You just did. Good job, Jack. Hey, Trailblazer, I think my girlfriend would like a word with you. I just like to say... Ow! You're going away for a long time. Charlie, Kyle, can you watch him for a minute? Okay. Sure thing, Ryan. Hey, Claire, are you good? You're shaking a little. Yeah, just so much adrenaline. I've never been this excited in my life. Welcome to the world of crime fighting. I think I'd like to go back to my old job now. Well, at least you have a job to go back to. My contract is over now. Why don't you and I find jobs together? Sounds great. Good news, everyone. It looks like your jobs are done. Kobe and I can take over from here. By the way, where is he? Whoops, I forgot. Trailblazer knocked him out by the plane. Oh, well, then I will take over from here then. Good job, everyone, and thank you all for your help. Wait, are you actually happy, Keith? Oh my, I am. I can't even remember the last time I was this happy. I mean, we're all happy. We won! Woohoo! Alright. Breaking news. Crime boss, Trevor Andrews, also known as Trailblazer, has finally been apprehended along with his accomplices Megan Barker and Joey Bennett, son of Lego City Mayor Jill Bennett. They will stay at the Lego City Federal Prison for 50 years without parole. Their captors, Police Chief Keith Harrison and his crew, are being given special awards for their services. Trevor's brother, billionaire Jack Andrews, and his accomplice Rick Gordon will have their charges dropped, but will require 100 hours of community service. I want to thank you all so much for what you have done for our city. You're most welcome, Mayor Bennett. I also want to apologize for your son Joey. As you know, he did work for me, but I failed to see through his lies, and I take full responsibility for his actions. Oh, that won't be necessary, Keith. You did a great job. Thank you, ma'am. Now, if there's anything I can do for any of you, just ask. Nothing for me, thanks, but my friends may need some assistance with their businesses. Charlie's gun shop was destroyed, and Kyle should have full ownership of all of its cars, including the monster truck. Consider it done, Ryan. And is there anything I can do for your sister? Yeah, can you please excuse my absence at work to my boss? I'm afraid he might fire me. Sure thing. Well, I think that's everything. You're all free to leave now. So, what do we do now? Let's race. I still need to get some revenge from earlier. You're on. It's finally over. Ooh, looks like it's not over after all. This is just the beginning.